Hi. So we are Quantpaper and we are innovation research platform. Innovation is probably on everybody's minds these days, but it's also very, very hard. Only 4% of managers have not defined innovation as their top priority, but 95% of product innovations fail, and 72% of managers admit missing very crucial growth opportunities. So the question is, what should these companies do? Well, one thing that is clear from our interviews with 70 innovation managers is that market research offers three key insights where companies can learn from the competitors, from the startups on the market, about what works, what doesn't work, what is the future, what failed, and so on. And this is what we are trying to help them with. So we are building a new kind of software specifically for innovation research, and it's called Quantpaper again. We are helping technology innovators make better research. So there are three key layers of insight that we bring to the table. One is scientific papers. Another one is company value propositions. This is from news articles. And lastly, market demand in form of Google searches. We combine these all three to create a combination that has never been seen on the market. And we think, based on our interviews, it delivers clear value. So we are targeting innovation managers, investment managers, and strategic consultants. And when you look at the current solutions like PitchBook, NetBase Quit, you might ask, how are we different? What do we bring to the table that hasn't been there yet? There are like maybe 30 solutions on the market that are kind of in the space. Well, none of them answers these questions. When you are looking to keep up with competition, do you invest, buy, or partner? What is the state of market alternatives? How can we monetize a technology when you have one? What is competitor strategy? And lastly, how can we leverage a trend that is out there? What can we do about it? How does it manifest? So we take news articles, scientific papers, and search data. We extract keywords, entities, and metrics. That is really important. We quantify about 100 metrics from the data. And we put it all into a knowledge graph, which connects everything together. So that gives us the advantage that we can connect what hasn't been connectable before. We can connect trends with industries, with processes, with problems, and therefore it is very flexible. So imagine you are one of these 170 EV vehicle companies and you ask yourself, how can we be better than everybody else? Well, clearly, one of the best things, most important things is driving distance with your battery, right? So which technology should you use? There's like 30 of them. So how do you figure out which one is the best, which one is the most promising? Well, that is what we help you with. So you start with a simple search for the industry or the technology. You pick electric vehicles. This auto-populates. This is filters in the different categories, industries, trends, technologies, products, countries. This is what our knowledge graph can do, that it can find the relevant connections to most relevant topics. Later, you pick what you are actually looking for, and after that, it automatically figures out that you are looking for electric battery technologies, right? So here they are listed. What you can do now is you can select metrics and look at the progress for each of these metrics. You can see total investment, company count, patent count, news article mentions. And once you see that solid-state batteries is the very interesting technology, you might think, okay, I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna see more about it. So what you can do, you can switch to these insights where you see milestones achieved, problems with the technology, where it's used, stories about the technology, top key metrics about investment, demand, cost. And then once you assure yourself you are interested in this, you can actually see companies doing just that. So you can actually even scout companies with our tool. Here you can even switch to news about each company so you know what's up. So to summarize, we extract and quantify information. We have millions of nodes and tens of millions of connections in our knowledge graph. And we can make, therefore, logical inferences about how everything connects together. No one can do this. So our team is really strong. We have experience with sales, marketing, data science. I have been CTO for the last 4 years, AI tech lead for the last 7. Finished 18. I got 18 hackathon prizes. We are also looking for a COO as a co-founder. The business model is a SaaS, obviously, with a base rate and per user rate. We want to motivate people to buy more licenses and not use one. And we will finish our MVP in November, launch in December, and have an open trial in January. So if you're interested, talk to me. We are looking for 400K, mainly for engineering, and let's do it. Let's do it together. We are two stairs down in this corner. If you want to talk to us, I will be around here as well if you want to talk to us. So that's it. Thank you very much.